So I, what the heck? What the heck? Come on.
From living.
You gotta be kidding me.
North Carolina, Central Sampson County in central North Carolina until 8:15 p.m. Morgan, go team. Secret. Notice change it. Of small creeks and streams.
What the heck?
And underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fayetteville, Clinton, Roseboro, Stedman, Salemburg, Fayetteville, and Vander. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Not all. That is a state legislative. And the love. You're on a top. Buying a new car might make you say, I can't.